Good evening all, I hope you're well. You'll remember a few weeks ago I took part in a challenge. It was a mystery box challenge whereby myself and a few other YouTubers got together and we sent out these mystery boxes to each other, and I kindly received a box from the guys at Handy Outdoors, and one of the items, well the main item that I received from them was this British Army 24-hour ration pack, and it's been sitting here at my home for the last few weeks. I haven't had a chance to try it out yet, but I thought you guys might be interested to know what's inside the pack. So this is a little bit of an unboxing, an unbagging video. It's quite weighty. It's quite a weighty one. It's not really something perhaps you would take if you were doing an ultralight kind of overnighter or hike, but it is a 24-hour ration pack, so you would expect there to be more items in there. Those of you that know your ration packs or are kind of curious, this is menu 13. I'll give you a close-up. So it says 24-hour ration pack, GP, then it's got the same in French. It says menu 13. Production was the 7th, 2018, and I think it's got a shelf life of a couple of years. Property of the MOD, all the usual, do not sell, etc. So let's cut it open and let's have a look what's inside this ration pack. Right, there is a lot of stuff in this. So in no particular order, we've got a main course there. It's a 300 gram main meal. You can see that. And it says pork sausages and beans in tomato sauce. So a main meal. I suppose you could have that for lunch or for dinner, couldn't you? So got that first of all. Got another main meal pouch here, and it says bean and pasta salad, butter beans and kidney beans with pasta in a tomato chili sauce. That could be quite interesting if you're sharing a tent with someone. Say no more. What else have we got? We got an apple turnover, so a dessert. Try and lay this out so you can see it. Well, we've got another main course here. So we've got a sausage casserole. Right, oat digestive biscuits, and you might be able to make out on there a little best before date. So I said that I thought the items in this pack had a shelf life of a couple of years. That says 2021, so we know that those biscuits are okay. Cranberry cereal bar. This is quite similar to what I've seen in some of the American ration packs. So your sachets of peanut butter and your cheddar cheese flavoured spread. I think Tom Outdoors loves these particularly. Seem to get quite a bit more than you would. These seem to be larger than what you would get in the American packs. Let me know if I'm correct on that one or not. We got another snack here. We got these sesame snaps. Now I'm not mad on these. I've never really been that mad on these, but perhaps they say your tastes do change as you get older. Maybe it's time I gave these another go. And we've got some drinks. So we've got a cola flavoured powdered drink with sugar and sweeteners. Got one of those. And we've also got the tropical flavour drink version as well. So we've got another one of those. Got another drink here from Beyond the Beaten Track. Fruit flavoured energy drink powder. Okay, we've got some hot. Here we've got a hot drink sachet there. Hot chocolate drink mint flavour. So we've got one of those. And we've got another sachet here, orange flavoured drink. So they give you quite a variation of hot and cold drinks, which is quite useful. And I've got another little dessert. I guess you could have this at any point. You could have it for breakfast, or you could have it as a snack on the go. It says, again, it's from the Beyond the Beaten Track brand, Fruit Explosion mixed fruit puree. Reminds me a lot of things that I used to give my children when they were very young. Brings back memories. Got a packet of tissues. We've got, oh cool, I wonder what that was. Right, it says here, you can see that. Hot diggity dog, hot original pepper sauce. So I guess that's for adding to one or some of the main courses. And guys, still got more things. So we've got a tropical fruit and nut mix, again Beyond the Beaten Track. They seem to be producing quite a few items for this British Army ration pack. It says in here in the ingredients, we've got peanuts, raisins, banana chips, pineapple, papaya. Yeah, they look quite nice though. I quite like these sorts of trail mix, nutty kind of assortments. They're quite nice to sort of munch on and just get a bit of quick energy. So they're quite good. So we've got, oh, that's quite useful, isn't it? So it's actually a spork. That's probably something I would reuse. That's actually quite tough and a decent size. So you've got a spork, plastic spork. We got alcohol-free antibacterial wipes. So we've got 2 of those. And quite a few hot drinks. So we've got Thai food, tea bag, English breakfast tea bag. We've got the chewing gum. Now with the American ones, you tend to only to get a couple of pieces of chewing gum from my experience, but there seems to be a little bit more in here. Spearmint flavour, there we go. Sugar-free spearmint flavour chewing gum with sweetness. Looks like we've got some sugar here. I don't tend to have much sugar, but I guess that's quite useful if you like sugar in your tea or your coffees. We've got 4 of those. And water purification tablets, always handy. Might not use those straight away, but always handy to sort of have in a quick emergency kit or survival kit. We've got the matches here. I don't know whether these are waterproof. Oh, okay, well, they're kind of sealed up, so I guess they're going to sort of stay reasonably dry. But we've got our matches there. If you know anything about those particular matches, if they're just ordinary matches or they do anything particularly interesting, get in the comments, let me know. Coffee, yes, best part of the kit. So we've got coffee, we've got another coffee. So we had the Nescafe one there. Then we've got the Rom Boots instant coffee as well. And a few more sachets in here. Oh yeah, we've got creamers as well. So I guess if you want to sort of jazz up the coffees. I tend to have my coffee black these days, kind of like it black and strong, but there are some creamers there to kind of jazz up the coffee, or I guess to bung in your tea if you wanted to do that. I think that's everything. The only other thing, this makes me laugh, is there's I like a sort of pack. I mean, you can sort of see that. It's a Ministry of Defence feedback and prize draw entry form. We value your feedback, and to help us keep on improving your ration, we want your views and comments. So apparently if I fill this in and I give a review of, there we are, see the smiley faces of each of the items in the ration pack, and I send this off, I could be in the chance of winning a £200 Amazon voucher. So there it is, guys. So all came out of that. Absolutely huge, humongous. If I can just zoom in a bit for you. Loads and loads there. Now, due to the kind of time, the sort of average amount of time that I generally get available to do my overnighters and my wild camps and so on, I probably wouldn't use all of that in one go. So I think it's likely I will spread this over 2 or 3 camps. So I think I might take some of these items, and it's really good because there's plenty of choice here. So I might take one of the mains and a few drinks and a couple of the snacks, and then maybe save the rest for another trip out. Anyway, I hope that's interesting. I hope that's useful. If you know much about British Army ration packs, I'd love to know more. I've tried one of my videos ages ago. I tried out one main, but I've never actually tried a full British Army ration pack. So as mentioned, this is menu 13. If you tried menu 13, or you can recommend any other menus in the British Army ration pack range, let me know. And I think the way that I'll do this is I'll just do light touch reviews of the items as I use them. So thanks very much, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please do feel free to hit the subscribe button. If you've liked the video, please do give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon.